Good day, everyone. We are from the BSEMT 3P3 and we're going to present our research paper entitled Mitigating Manual Labor Through Sand Separating Machine. But before we're going to present our paper, I'd like to introduce my members.
I am Hannah Therese Vitoraray from BSEMT 3P3.
I am Kenneth John M. Labadan from the BSCMT 3P3.
I am Joshua Bitacaner from BSEMT 3P3.
I'm Johannes Labis from BSEMT 3P2.
And I'm Mariah Mirosales from BSEMT 3P3.
Sand is the most important thing in construction. Sieving of sand is carried out using a rectangular mesh which is inclined at a certain angle. To ensure there are no excess materials, construction workers must sieve or separate sand from rocks and others. It increases the separation time and labor costs. It is very slow process, hence decreasing production rate. Hence, conventional methods are not suitable for large production. This paper discusses the mitigation labor through a sand separator machine, that both manual labor and time is saved significantly. This machine will be activated by a sensor upon putting sand in the cylinder. As it rotates, it then starts separating sand that will be used in construction. Thus, this machine will help workers who are sieving with no machine mechanism. With machine mechanism driven by sensor and power, it will reduce the time to sieve.
With this equipment, the sand separating machine, it completes construction faster with less labor involved and more money saved. For the development of this study, we addressed the following questions, and here are the questions. First, what design features can be used to mitigate manual labor through the machine? Second, what can we develop to further improve the machine? And lastly, in what ways can we evaluate the sand separating machine?
Objective. The objective of the researcher is to build a sand separating machine to help worker who is sieving with no machine mechanism. This machine is to be made cost-effective and assess the performance of the machine. Here are the specific objectives of the study. First, to design a less cost-effective smart machine. Second, to develop a machine that can mitigate manual labor. Third, to evaluate framework and determine if the laborer can comfortable use of technology to improve work.
Hi everyone, I am Johannes Labis and I'll be explaining this project's conceptual framework and how it works. There are machines that sieve sand in the market, but it is common in the mining industry. For example, the sluice plant and the wash plant. However, we'll design and develop our version with solar power activated by sensors or human interaction. Here's how it works. The sand is poured into the cylinder, which then activates via sensor. Then it rotates for 1 minute while simultaneously sieving the sand, leaving only the coarse inside the cylinder, while the fine sand slides down the ramp. This project will help contractors save both time and money. And that is everything you need to know about our project. Thank you.
Review of related literature, evaluation and the conceptual design of human-powered sand sieving machine. This machine will help operator work which was doing sieve with no machine mechanism. With machine mechanism driven by human power, it will reduce the time to sieve. The objective of this paper is hopefully to make the best concept design in terms of production cost and production capacity. In evaluating the product, one or several of the best concepts are chosen to further develop into products based on the selection criteria. The result of this design obtained the best concept of sand-saving machine in terms of efficiency, energy, and flexibility. The machine that works on the principle of rotary motion is responsible for the agitation or the shaking of the sand, leading to separation of coarse particles from required particles or from fine and clean sand. The machine is fabricated for the casting processes where the quality of sand increase the quality and finishing of the work. Sand is used in construction, manufacturing, and many industries. Sand needs to be filtered and separated from unneeded particles, stones, and other large particles before they are put to use.